Welcome back, traders, for the post-market analysis. Today's session was a masterclass in trend continuation, perfectly validating our flat to positive morning view. Nifty opened near our key pivot point of 25,965.40, showing initial consolidation exactly as expected. However, the first crucial battle was decisively won by the bulls. The index not only defended the pivot but gathered momentum to march straight toward our first resistance, R1, at 26,031. The sheer strength of the breakout around midday, where Nifty clearly smashed through R1 with strong volume and sustained a price action above it, was the single most important signal of the session. This breach confirmed a bullish trend for the rest of the day, turning R1 into our new, strong immediate support. The relentless follow-up buying pushed the index close to our second resistance, R2, at 26,089, with the final closing price around 26,068.30. This closed near the high of the day is a profoundly bullish sign, signaling strong conviction among market participants and indicating that the momentum is likely to carry forward. For tomorrow, the strategy is clear. As long as Nifty holds above the broken R1 level of 26,031, we will maintain a strong buy on dips approach, with the immediate target being a test and breach of R2 at 26,089 and the subsequent run to R3 at 26,147. The bears only regain control if Nifty breaks back below the day's consolidation range, perhaps below the pivot, but for now, the path of least resistance is firmly to the upside. Great trading today, everyone, and get ready for another high momentum session tomorrow. Please like and share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more info.